about her business, ain't no wasting time. Graduated, got her degree, she stay on the grind. She's so focused. That's the type of woman I like, and she own it. I tell her that all the time. She bad and she know it.
Hey lovelies, hope everyone is having a blessed and lovely day. If you're new and don't know, I'm Renae and welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. What's up? And it's so nice to see you again. And you already know what's next. I do videos mainly on lifestyle, beauty, to include fashion, and natural hair, honey. So one of these areas are intriguing to you, then sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, now I know I'm on here looking all sorts of crazy and whatnot, but as you could tell from the title of the video, this is going to be my self-care pamper routine. Yes, this is just something that I do, or I love to do, to make me feel good, to make me just be in a good mood and feel good about myself, and just, like I said, pamper myself. You know what I mean? You know, sometimes you just need to take time out of your day just to focus on you, whether you have kids, a family, a significant other, or, you know, of course, a job, and whatever the case may be. Sometimes you just need to take that time out to dedicate to yourself. We all need it, especially as women. I feel like we do so much. We wear so many hats, and sometimes we just forget about ourselves in the midst of taking care of other people. So I think it's important to, you know, get back to ourselves. So what we're going to be starting off with first are our nails and our toes. So yes, as you can see, it's about that time. Like, it's about that time. You see, I broke a nail right there, and they just, you know, they all types of everywhere. And like, they not even, I don't know if y'all can tell really, but they not even fully white no more. Okay, so yeah, I'm just like, I've been taking care of other things and doing other things, so I'm like, you know what, this is a mess. Especially when I do my nails well, I don't always do my nails myself. I do go to the nail salon. Like, I do like to go to the nail salon. Like, sometimes I just like to do my nails myself. That's just really what it is. Like, sometimes I just don't feel like going to the nail shop. Sometimes I just don't feel like spending that money, hundreds of dollars, just on my nails, not to include my toes. You know, sometimes I just don't like doing that. So I, you know, greatly enjoy doing my own nails and my own toes sometimes. So that is what we're going to be doing today. As I said, we're gonna do toes, nails, then we're gonna go into the rest of the day and what I like to do. So yeah, I guess let me just go ahead and get straight into it. Like, okay, you all, as I said in the beginning of the video, we're starting off with our nails, and this will not be a full tutorial on how I do my nails, but again, this is just a part of what I do for my pamper day, and I like to do the full experience. So we getting these nails and these toes right, honey. So as you can see, I'm just buffering out my nails to prep them for the primer and to put the acrylic on there. So yeah, this is what I do to pamper myself. Everybody's pamper day is different, but I like to be pampered from head to toe, meaning I don't want to look at no crusty hands or feet.
The producer. Metro the producer.
Okay, so going straight into applying the powder. As you can see, I try to take little beads at a time because I'm not a professional at all, and I do not want to mess my nails up. I don't want them to be lumpy or anything, so I just take little by little onto my brush and then I apply it to my nail bed. I love doing my nails. I love when my nails are done because it just feels like everything comes together and is complete. So I love making this a part of my Pamper Day routine. It'll be the same difference as if I went out and got my nails done. But I don't know, like me doing my nails and incorporating it into my Pamper Day routine, it just feels like, I don't know, the ultimate pamper day to me. I don't know why, but it does, and it just makes me feel good. So that's also part of the reason why I like doing my nails myself as a part of my routine, because it just makes me overall feel great. Okay, you guys, so moving on to the final step of completing our nails, which is filing and making sure that we have them in the shape that we want them in. Side note, I did do my toes as well. I just didn't record it because it's literally the same exact steps that I use for my nails. So yes, I just didn't record that because, like I said, this is not a nail tutorial. But again, I'm just filing, making sure that I have all the imperfections out so I could go ahead and move to our next step in our Pamper Day, which is, as you could tell, washing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen, because I'm going to prepare dinner as well. Yes, I do all of this in my Pamper Day routine because, like I said, I want the full experience. So here you see me just cleaning up, making sure that I have everything washed and put away so that I can then prepare dinner for the night. And as well as cleaning up the kitchen, I clean up pretty much the entire house because I can't sit in, junkiness if I'm like clean. Like, that's just a pet peeve of mine. If I'm clean, everything around me has to be clean. So you see me vacuuming and all of that. So that's really honestly a part of my Pamper Day routine as well.
Metro the producer. Metro the producer.
So of course, after you clean, what is it if it doesn't smell nice? So here you just see me pouring in my fragrance and water into my diffuser so we can get the house smelling lovely, y'all. I love when like the house is clean, it smells good, then like you can actually really relax. Like, I love that feeling. So that's what we're doing here. And for the scent, I think I just used Sensual Amber. I think that's what the scent is called. So yes, like, I love doing this. I love a good smelling home. Okay, so I know this may be a weird step as well to include in a Pamper Day routine, but I do like to go ahead and just fix my hair however it may be, if it's out of place or anything. So right here you see me just getting those edges together and re-slicking down any loose hairs within the Bantu knot. So I'm just again slicking my edges down, and then you're just gonna see me tie it it up with a scarf. So like I said, if I'm gonna, do one thing, then I kind of have to do it all. So yeah, so I just tidy up my hair, and then I just lay it with my scarf, as you see here. Okay, so moving on to the face and the body. Starting out with our face, I love using the tea tree line from the Body Shop, and this is the face clearing wash and the 3-in-1 scrub. Been using this line for years, and it's worked wonders on my skin. And for the body, I love using the Dr. Bronner's. Any of the soaps work for me. My favorite is the peppermint, but I'm gonna be using the almond hemp pure castile soap kind this time. And then I love following up with the scrub, and this is Soap and Glory, the scrub of your life. I love doing a scrub, full body scrub on Pamper Day. And as you can see, I just get in the shower and I make sure that the shower is hot and steamy, because nothing is more soothing than a hot, steamy shower. So as I said, I'm just going to be doing my face and then doing my body. Okay, so now we are out the shower and we're feeling good. So the next thing I like to do is just rub my body down with oil. And the oil that I like to use is bio oil, because not only do I want to feel good, I want to look good as well. And bio oil helps with discoloration of any sort or stretch marks or anything like that. So I love to rub myself down with some bio oil, and then I'll follow it up with any type of lotion or whatever lotion or scent that I am feeling at that particular point. But anytime that I get out the shower, every day I rub down with bio oil, because as I said, I want to look good as well as feeling good. And as I said, you see me just lotioning my body up, and this is the Soap and Glory lotion. I love the scrub, the scent so much that I went ahead and got the lotion. So that's what I've been using lately. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and put on our jammies. I'm actually just putting on a shirt because I didn't feel like putting on like any real clothes. So I just went ahead and got a button down and put that on. And then once I put on my clothes, what I like to do is I like to spritz myself down with a body mist. I don't know, it just gives me a little extra oomph in my Pamper Day. So I just love smelling good, honestly. Okay, y'all, we still going. We not done yet. What would Pamper Day be without doing a mask? That is the ultimate Pamper Day routine. So what I'm using is my tea tree mask. It's actually a green tea mask from the Body Shop. Again, like I told y'all, I love the tea tree line from there because it just been working on my face for so long that I don't really want to try anything else. So we're gonna apply this mask and let it sit until it dries. Okay, so the mask have been sitting on for about 30 minutes at this point. So you see me just washing that mask off, and I grab my paper towel to go ahead and dry my face. I don't ever use a rag to wash or to dry my face. So I'm just using my paper towel to wipe any, all that water and anything else that's on my face away, so I could go ahead into applying my toner. And again, this is the tea tree line from the Body Shop, and this is their mattifying toner. So I just go ahead, shake that up, and I have my cotton round, apply a little bit to that, and I just apply that to my face. And this toner makes my face feel so good and refreshed. Like it just, I don't know, it's like a cool mint summer breeze on my face. So I love using this toner. Next, what I like to do, as you can see, I just have my derma roller, and I usually do this step before applying my toner, but I forgot that I did want to do it today. So as you can see, I just take my derma roller, and I love using this because it has been helping with tightening my skin and also my pores. So I just take my derma roller, I go over my cheeks, I go in 3 different directions, and then I just move on to the next area. So that's my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and my nose. So I love using this product because it's been working really good on my skin. Okay, I told y'all I love their products. So from the Tea Tree line again, this is my Drops of Youth serum, followed by my vitamin C oil. So what I like to do is I actually like mixing these two together. I just use about 4 or 5 drops of my serum and about 4 or 5 drops of my vitamin C oil, and I just rub those together and just apply it to my face. Some people might like to do it individually, but I just overall like how it feels together and the moisture that it has. Okay, so after I'm done, I just like to make sure that the bathroom is clean, and then I go ahead and light a candle so I can get that aroma just flowing through. And we have one in the living room that we clean, in the bathroom, so we doing good, we feeling good. And this is dinner. I did not show myself preparing it, but here we just have a spinach salad. We got some handmade macaroni. Not macaroni, some mashed potatoes, some string beans, and some salmon. So of course, after this long pampering day, I love to just sit back, relax with a good hearty dinner. And I would have me a glass of wine at this point, but I'm currently in the middle of a fast, so no wine for me, but that's okay because I'm still feeling good. So I just have my my cup of water, and I'm just gonna go ahead, eat my dinner, and then we're just gonna relax. Okay, so we've eaten dinner, we got ourselves clean, we feeling good. So now to end the night, we're just gonna, like I said, we're just gonna relax, chilling on the couch. Usually I don't try to do any work or anything on my pampered days, so we're just gonna sit back and watch some Christmas movies. I've so been into Christmas movies hard, so that's what we're gonna end our night with, and I hope you all enjoy. So until my next video, peace.